We need to go faster, these waves are getting too big. It's really deep here. Are we still in all reef?
It's too late now, we can't go back. And it's not that I didn't know how unpredictable this island is. And when it's not the rain, I'm about to go snorkeling and I get this warning here. Volcano again.
The alert level of Canlaon volcano in the Negros province has been raised to 3 following an explosive
This volcano is erupting right now, only 200 kilometers away from me. And here when you go snorkeling, you can see these volcanic activities right in front of you. Every place you go snorkeling this island, you see these bubbles coming straight from the seafloor. This is sulfur coming from the magma running underneath the sea. So why? Why going through volcanoes, currents? What's hidden in this island that is so special? Turtles have been my passion since I started snorkeling, and Apo Island is the turtle paradise. But to find them, I need a true adventure to show me the way.
But now it's covering on the sun, but we need to slip slowly.
So we go that way?
Yeah. Yeah.
Let's
Very
go.
smooth, yeah. Yeah.
Let's go that way then. Jesus Christ. Slowly. What the fuck? Oh God. Woo! Woohoo! Let's do it. So the plan is simple. We start in Mansa Reef, snorkel all the way to Olo Reef, and from there is easy breezy to the turtle sanctuary. Easy peasy lemon.
We need to go faster, these waves are getting too big.
Our starting point in Mansa Reef was a nightmare. Waves were crashing on us all the time. I was drinking a lot of water because the water was coming inside of my snorkel. But despite all these challenges, we tried to enjoy the Mansa Reef as much as we could. But when you get in Olo Reef, there is no turning back. The current is 10 times stronger and there is no way you can control it. We stopped swimming and just let it go.
You my baby, and you know it, right? Yeah, I just remember what you said to me. I'm your man, babe, I'm your man. You know I try to give you everything I can. I'm the one to make you come and get it, girl.
Can you see it? Let me get closer. And this was just the beginning. I had never seen so many turtles before in my life.
I saw 20 turtles already. So nice.
Turtle again.
But not far from here, there is a place you can snorkel with millions of fish around you, turning day into night. But this is another story.